Good morning, children. Children, today we will find out all the prime numbers between 1 and 100. Okay, as you all know, prime numbers are the number which is divisible either by itself or by 1. For example, if we say, so if we want to see that whether 2 is a prime number or not, we will see it's 2 is the only even number which is a prime number. Okay, which is divisible either by 2 or by 1. So 2 is our first prime number. And children, between 100, the numbers which are multiples of 2 will not be a prime number. For example, the multiple of 2 is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and so on up till 100. Okay, all the even numbers are multiple of 2, as you all know, so they are not the prime numbers. Now let's take another example, that is 3. 3 is again a prime number. Why? Because it is either divisible by 3 or 1. Okay, so now again all the multiples of 3 will be cut off because they are automatically, we know that if they are multiplied by any other number, it is not a prime number. Why? Because prime number are the number which are divisible only by itself or 1. So all the multiples of 3, that is 3 ones are 3, 3 2 is 6, 6 is already cut. Then comes your 9, 12, 12 is cut, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 and so on. We will see till 100. Next is 4. As we all know, 4 is already cut because 4 comes in the table of 2, so it is not a prime number. So we will check 5. Why 5? Because 5 again is a prime number because 5 is divisible either by 1 or by itself, not by any other number. So again all the multiples of 5 will be cut because they are divisible by another number, that is 5. Okay, so 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, already cut. 5 threes are 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 is cut, 50 and so on. We will see till 100. Okay, next we will check 7. 7, yes, 7 is a prime number. Why? Because 7 is either divisible by 1 or by itself. Okay, so again all the multiples of 7 will be cut. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 14 comes in table of 2 also, so it has already been cut. Then 7 threes are 21, 21 comes in the table of 3, already cut. 7 fours are 28, again cut. Alright, then 35. So all the multiples of 7 will be cut. Why? Because the multiples of 7 is divisible by some other number, that is 7. Alright, so let's check up till 100. Children, now we are left with a very few numbers. Let's see those numbers. After 7, 8, 9, 10 is already cut, so we will check 11. Yes, 11 is a prime number. Why? Because it is divisible only by itself or 1. Then comes all the multiples of 11. You can see here 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99 is cut because it comes in the table before 11. It already comes, so it is cut. So now we will see the remaining numbers, that is 13 is a prime number. Yes. 17 again a prime number. 19, 23, 29, 31, 41, any numbers left? Okay, 37, 47, 53, 40, 53, 59, then is your 61, 71, 73, 83, 67, 79, 89 and 97. Okay, so now we have got the list of prime numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, I hope I have covered all the numbers here. Yes, okay.